Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect CRM messaging with Bigin for sending SMS and WhatsApp messages using bulk messages, campaigns, or using automation or one-to-one. First, you install the topping from Marketplace. You can find the topping from Marketplace by searching CRM messaging, and you can install the topping from here. This is the version 1. I'll give you a link for the latest version, version 2. So after installing, you will land. I've already installed. So you will land on this page, settings page. Here, a couple of checks will be done, and you have to complete all the steps for getting ready. You have done the step 1. The step 2 is doing signal auth for signal messages for incoming notification. This you can click on go back and click on version. Here you will find the auth authorization in the bottom. Do this for getting incoming notification. Once done, you will land back to your page. Go back to settings page. Here again the check will done. Now we are okay. Now all the steps for third step, you have to create your account with the Bigin with the same email, the user. You click on this link, it will take you to the CRM messaging portal, create an account, sign up. Once you are ready, once you have signed up with the same email that you use in Bigin, once you're done, I've already have the account, so I'll log in and show you the steps. I'm inside. So it says that you have to go, you have to create your account, you have to go to integration gateway and Begin and connect your auth. So go to integrations, go to Begin. Here, you have to connect. I've already connected and I'll just disconnect and show you steps. So you go back to integration, go back to Begin. Here it will show you the link option. Click on connect Begin. Again, put your account details, select your all, allow, accept. After connecting, it will then you go back. It is connected. You can see, you can click on sync contact for syncing. Now here version 2 is there. If you want to upgrade, you can do the upgrade also. Click on upgrade option, select your reason for upgrade, and you get to the step. Just upgrade the extension. So I've already upgraded, so it's for the upgraded version. So again, we go back to the settings page. Then it will do the couple of checks, page refresh, and then we are ready. We're ready to send messages actually. So we'll just show you the how it works. So here, what you get is you get the chat buttons. Chat buttons over here. You can start sending messages, SMS, WhatsApp. Over here, you have a capability of multi-number setup. Here, you can select list of numbers to send messages from. You can send templates. You can engage audience over here. Now, when they reply, you get incoming notification over here, and for example, and you get the message logs all over here. Then all the messages they send, they get logged over here. Like for example, you get incoming WhatsApp, they're added as tasks. The things. Now I'll just show you uh, the conversation. If you want to see all bulk messages, let's see. Click on the selected contacts, click bulk message. It will shoot bulk campaign. You can select your template, map the variables, and send bulk campaigns. Once sent, you can view the conversation at one place, all the 360 view of all conversation happening across Begin at one place. Then if you're sending bulk campaigns, you can see the messaging analytics around bulk campaign at one place. All your campaigns will come over here, SMS, WhatsApp, everything within Begin. Then you have the capability to manage your templates at one place. You can create your SMS and WhatsApp templates from this place. Then coming to automation, let me just quickly show you the automations. You can, based on your trigger criteria, whenever state changes or whatever, you can add custom actions like send SMS and send WhatsApp over here, topping send SMS and send WhatsApp. This way, you can just configure it as per your need. You can select your module, select from number, select your template, and map the variables. like this. You can map and you are save the action. Give it a name and save it. That's pretty much. That's how you can operate over Begin. If you have any question, reach out to support. Reach out to me. I'll guide you. Have a good day.